Hello friends, welcome to my channel SolidWorks tutorial. Today we gonna solve the exercise number 70. This SolidWorks 2020 video tutorial is for my beginners friends. From this SolidWorks exercise video tutorial, you will learn how to design a very basic part. Hope you will stay connected with us and continue learning SolidWorks modeling. Today I will teach you the use of various SolidWorks tools like line command, smart dimension, mirror entities command, and extrude command. We will use only one sketch and extrude command for completing this SolidWorks 2020 tutorial. We gonna sketch the front view of the part and then extrude that for completing today's part. Hope you will enjoy and stay with us throughout the tutorial and become a SolidWorks 2020 Pro designer.
Let's start. Click on the new part.
Go to Apply Scene and select Plain White. Go to Material, right-click, and select Edit Material. Then choose your desired material. Now we will sketch the front view of the part. Left-click on Front Plane and choose Sketch. Take Center Line command and draw lines like this. Height is 15 plus 13 plus 25 is equal to 53 millimeters.
Now take the line command. Now select Smart Dimension.
Width is 40 millimeters. Height is 15 millimeters. Width is 10 millimeters. Height is 13 millimeters. Height is 28 millimeters. Make equal. Width is 27 millimeters.
Now select Smart Dimension.
Height is 28 millimeters. Height is 25 millimeters.
The sketch is fully defined.
Take Mirror Entities command. Select these items as mirror entity. Mirror about this axis.
Press OK. The sketch is fully defined. Now go to the Features menu and choose Extrude command.
Reverse direction. Extrude length is 140 millimeters.
Press OK.
Press space button of your keyboard and select isometric view.
Congratulations!
This is the part which we were trying to build. Make this speed 3x. Change this duration to 30 seconds and click Finish. If you enjoy this SolidWorks video tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press bell icon for staying connected with us.